Good morning, welcome to TruckSmart. My name is Carl. Today I would like to show you this 2018 Isuzu NPR XD reefer body. This is a 5.2 liter Isuzu diesel, mated to a 6-speed Aisin automatic transmission. This truck's GVW is 16,000 pounds. This has a 16-foot Morgan insulated reefer body. The reefer unit is a Carrier Supra 860 with electric standby. This fully insulated Morgan body comes with a Tuckaway liftgate. You can see inside has a single row of E-track on both sides, an aluminum floor and aluminum scuff plating all the way around. The truck only has 70,000 miles. Extremely clean. Reefer runs ice cold. Come on around on the inside and I'll show you a few equipment options in there. So this 2018 Isuzu NPR XD series is fully equipped with power steering, power brakes, power windows, door locks, tilt and telescoping steering column, air conditioning of course, AM/FM radio, and your Carrier reefer controls are right there. The truck is in excellent condition. If you have any questions, please give me a call, 215-828-1572. My name is Carl. Thank you so much. Have a great day.